Right now, you are going to learn how you're able to write in text citation or quotation, and then the references. And this is based on the latest of the American Psychological Association APA 7th edition. Our first discussion, we are going to learn how to make in text citation or quotation. And before that, before we discuss further, you have to know when you quote, paraphrasing, summarizing one ideas, opinions or theories, then you have to acknowledge the works by providing the author's name and date of publication in text. It means by referencing and make the reference. Unless you're going to be accused as a plagiator, or your work is a kind of plagiarism. So don't do that, right? That's easy actually to make quotation or citation and references. Well, let's discuss this one. In-text citation types. There are two types of in-text citation. The first type is a narrative in-text citation. In narrative in-text citation, you place the year of publication of the work in parentheses after the author's name. As the example, you have Mullane, and then the year of publication is in parentheses or in bracket 2006. And the second type is a parenthetical in-text citation. In parenthetical in-text citation, you place the author's last name and the year of publication of the work in parentheses within or at the end of the sentence. For example, so as you can see there, Mullane, there is the name of the author, comma, and followed by the year of publication. So what is the difference? The difference, okay, in narrative in-text citation, the year of publication is in parentheses, while in parenthetical in-text citation, both the author's name and the year of publication is in parentheses. And normally, a narrative in-text citation, okay, that is in the beginning of the sentence, while a parenthetical in-text citation that is within, okay, within or at the end of our sentence. Let's continue to the use of at all. Okay, it is used for 3 or more authors or editors of a book. So when a book was written by more than, okay, at least 3, okay, authors, editors, then we use at all in text citation. For example, so Snyder et al. So it means when we use this, there are others. There are other authors, okay, beside Snyder. And then in text quotation we use et al. Okay, that's it for et al. And for further, when we talk about references, that will be clearer. Now let's continue to page numbers in text citation. Page numbers are not required when paraphrasing or summarizing. So when your quotation is a kind of paraphrasing means, so that is indirect quotation. You paraphrase, okay, you include your ideas with the author's ideas. Or summarizing, okay, you summarize a book, for example, and then you use it as your quotation. Then if that's so, you don't make the page number in text citation. But if you would like to direct your reader to a specific section or paragraph, you may include the page number or page range. Section, this is section, a section or a paragraph. So you need to include the page number. For example, here you are, Knowles, 1986, page, okay, 73 to 90. So this is section. So you include the page number. But once again, if it is a kind of paraphrasing or summarizing, you don't have to. Okay. Now let's move on to direct quotation. Okay. Direct quotations, there are two kinds. Okay. Fewer than 40 words and greater than 40 words. Now let's see first fewer than 40 words. So you enclose the quotation using double quotation marks. Okay. Within the text. Okay. You use double quotation marks. The year of publication, the page numbers, okay, provided in parentheses. So in parentheses, or let's see this example to help us have better understanding. Example, it was found that the correlation was statistical anomaly. Okay. So see this arrow. So the quotation or the words that we quote, okay, we enclose it with double quotation marks, while okay, the year and the page, that is in one section with the author in parentheses or point 2. The year of publication, the page number provided in parentheses. Okay, the page number, because this is direct quotation. Okay, so you have to. Now let's move on to, oh, this is a note for you. What about if there is no page number? So if there is no page number, but the sources contain headings or number, paragraphs, use a section name or paragraph number. So use directly the paragraph page of the section. Okay, because book can be in form of section or paragraph. For example, here you are. So Jones 2008 introduction section. So it means you quote from the introduction section, because the introduction section, for example, there is no page. Okay, or for example, Roberts 2008 paragraph 5. So if there is no page, okay, you can use this. And in addition, if the paragraphs are not numbered, okay, then you manually count the paragraphs and include the paragraph number. That's okay. Okay, you want to quote from a book, the book doesn't have page, then you can count it by yourself. Okay, especially if this is about paragraph, for example. Still, you can make it as a reference. And what about if you quote from a video? So if you quote from a video, you use the timestamp. Okay, the timestamp. So you take a look at the timestamp and then you stop it, and as you can see the example. So Palmer 2013, the timestamp is 2 hours 30 minutes 40 seconds. Okay, and quotation is greater than 40 words. This is if it is greater than 40 words. Displayed in a double spaced, indented block. Okay, so you indented, okay, the text or the paragraph 1.27 centimeter. Let's see this example. So here you are, double space, okay, and then you indent it 1.27 centimeters. Okay, 40 words greater, okay, greater than. More than one source. Okay, this is if you quote from a book, the writers of the book, okay, let's say there are 2, 3, okay, so use semicolons between words to separate the sources. Okay, different authors. This is different authors. As you can see in the example, Sanders, that is the first author, and then to separate the first to the second author, he used semicolon. And if the writer of the book is one, but it is In an edition, for example, so you separate the year of publication with comma. For example, so Smith, for example, had already produced or written 2 kinds of books. And then you quote from that book, you separate the year by comma. This is in text citation. Okay. Well, so that's how you quote and write the references in text citation. Okay. In my next video, we're going to discuss how to write them in the form of references, and this will be our topic. Okay, how to cite and write the references of both printed and ebook. After this, still we will discuss more about how to write references, for example, from journal, from lesson, yes, from PowerPoint. We'll discuss it later. Well, hopefully this is beneficial for you. See you. Bye bye.